Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use a Cordis Ball to help release scar tissue and adhesions in your abdomen. Now, this is really great if you just had an abdominal surgery, whether you have a diagnosis of endometriosis or you just had a C-section and just having a lot of tension building up in your abdomen. This is a really great tool. So I'm just going to lift up my shirt so you can see my stomach because I'm going to use this Cordis Ball on my abdomen. Now, I particularly really like the Cordis Ball because of its texture. It has like a grippy texture. It's soft, it's gentle, and it's very welcoming to your body. When we tend to use harder massage tools like a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball, when we use those, it can be a lot of pressure and our body might actually tense up instead of relaxing. And when we are trying to release scar tissue, improve blood flow, and release any adhesions, we want something gentle in the body. So I really love the Cordis Ball, and I will link that below in case you are interested in purchasing one. So this technique is known as kind of like a sink and then a pin and a glide or a rotate. So you're basically pinning the ball on your abdomen. So you're sinking and pinning the ball on your belly, and then you're going to move the ball left and right or up and down. You can even rotate it. So you want to make sure that you're not just like doing like a very kind of swifting motion of the ball. You really want to think about sinking. Maybe I'll do a side view. Sinking the ball in, pinning the tissue, pulling it left, right, down, up, and see which direction is the most tight. So right now, when I am doing this, my right feels more tight. If I go up and down, my down feels more tight. So I'm actually going to start to release this, I'm going to start by going to the direction of restriction, going into my right side and down, and I'm just going to hold it there as I breathe in and out. Now you can also add some rotations. I'm just going to rotate it left and right. And again, I'm seeing which direction is more restricted or tension. So going to the left is more tension, so I'm going to stick it there, and I'm going to again hold it and just breathe in and out. And you're thinking about breathing into the ball. And we'll do one more breath. Great. Now, if it's hard for you to feel like, oh, the left is more tight than the right, or up and down, I don't know which side's tighter, just kind of play around with your abdomen. Every abdomen, whether you are bloated, having scars, constipated, this can be a really helpful tool just to like create some like touch or awareness to your abdomen so that it's not, gripping and holding all this tension. So yeah, you can even just play around, put it left and right, up and down, twist, do different areas. Just have fun with it. Don't stress out too much about, am I doing this right? Am I working on the right spots? Although that's important. But if you're just starting this for the first time, just kind of get to know, your body, where it might feel more restricted than other places, and then work in those areas. So that is the skin stretching technique using a Cordis Ball. So again, you're pinning the Cordis Ball down into your skin, and then you're moving the ball into the direction of restriction. So give that a try and let me know what you think.